In this video, we will discuss the ALEKS Insights Report, which conveniently shows you at a glance which students may be struggling or require your attention. By spending just a few minutes looking at the insights, you can intervene before it's too late. To begin, click the green Home icon to navigate to your instructor homepage. You'll find the insights through the Instructor sub-navigation menu. Locate Insights and then click on any one of the 4 learning behavior categories to begin to explore. Let's start with failed topics. Whether you have one ALEKS class or several, all students who have attempted and failed topics multiple times over the past week will show up in this report. If you'd like to focus on just one class at a time, use the class drop-down menu to filter the failed topics by class. Students who are experiencing difficulty in learning topics they have attempted multiple times without success will fall into the failed topic category. This category is updated in real time, so anytime you click on the failed topics category, you'll get up-to-date information. You can click on one or more of the red X icons to see the questions that the students were asked and how they answered them. Spot checking a few missed attempts may give you insight into what concept the student is missing. You can gain more information about the student's work habits by clicking on the magnifying glass icon. This will take you to the student's time and topic report where you can quickly see how often the student is working in ALEKS and explore their other attempts and answers. You can return to the insights at any time by clicking the back arrow. Your students may also need an email reminder from you about logging in and working more often during the week, or just a reminder about some resources such as videos, the ebook, or instructor's office hours. You can utilize the email icon to do so. Another one of our insights is decreased learning. This category will identify students whose learning rate has decreased significantly despite continual work in ALEKS. The decreased learning insights will show you the student's past average number of topics learned per hour and the new lower average. If you click on the magnifying glass icon, you'll see the time and topic report for that student and can determine if the slowdown is due to students struggling and failing topics, not logging into ALEKS, or both. Keep in mind that sometimes a decrease is expected if a student only has a few topics remaining as a module deadline passes. When ALEKS detects an unusual increase in the number of topics learned per hour, the student will appear in the unusual learning insight. As the instructor, you know if there's a deadline in your course or an exam coming up that your students may be working hard for. If the rate is uncharacteristically high, you can select the student and view the report to see the time and topic report. If the student's learning behavior is a concern, you can send that student an email or request a new knowledge check from the student to verify their knowledge state is accurate. Lastly, the procrastination insight will identify students exhibiting long periods of inactivity followed by possible cramming. The students included in this insight may have dropped the course, or they may just not be working on homework. If a student has dropped the class, you can go to your student roster by hovering over Instructor Administration and clicking on Student Roster. From there, you can hide and disable students' access who are no longer in your class. At any time, you can select insights and explore the alerts from your instructor main page. ALEKS will also email you a notification about new insights. A few minutes spent exploring the ALEKS Insights each week offers you an opportunity to get to know your students, guide students, and influence student behavior to increase success.